to me for my daughter so she can have her own space to be more of her creative self. My daughter is like really smart. She loves reading. She loves to be herself. And then her having her own space will give her the range to do that. Former foster youth, they're a forgotten group. We know that they exist, that it's there, but nobody really talks about it. Nobody wants to bring up that majority of foster youth are homeless or don't have any place to stay, or they are just out of luck completely. And it's like a sense of home is a great program to bring back that like sense of awareness.
To change the lives of age-out foster youth. That's 30% of the homeless population that you see out there. They've never had a break. They've never had their own home. When they go out, they're forced to go live on the street. When you support a family that gets to be able to be a contributing person and feel great about themselves and have a bed that they call their own, they in turn then become part of the community and pay it forward. As a volunteer, when you're helping a family, you literally have your cells in your body change. And your heart, that's why I love that we always do the heart, because your heart just exponentially just grows larger and larger, and every single person becomes a part of you. From today, we are blessing their home with our love, and when we see them, what we hope is that they understand they're never alone again. They just aren't, and that they're standing on their own feet, and that they have now something that is called security. And that's what I think everyone deserves, and especially a little child. She needs to know that her mommy is safe and she's safe.
She has that. Oh, it's so cute. It's amazing how we all just met for the first time today, and that I felt so overwhelmed with love and positivity, and like I was like very good vibes in here. Like I really loved it. Like this is something I will always remember for the rest of my life.